Hi. This course provides hands-on clinical training. It teaches dentists to place implants safely and legally in the United Arab Emirates. An important feature of the internship is continuous supervised clinical training running for a minimum of 12 months, in which 30 implants are placed in patients. Regular lectures and workshops explain step by step all you need to know to be able to place and restore implants. We appreciate that getting time off work to attend lectures and study can be difficult, so we provide regular weekly online seminars and treatment planning sessions, so you do not need to worry about falling behind. You will receive guided placement software worth 12,000 dirhams free for you to use, which will allow you to plan cases online in real time together with your clinical supervisor. We ensure you have easy access to all the information necessary to pass examinations confidently. Also, pre-recorded lectures mean you can study anytime, any place. Books and reading materials are also provided and are absolutely free to download from our Learning Hub. Most important of all is the online case management application that guides you through the steps of compiling your very own logbook, essential for your license. Now for the clinical training, which is held every month on either a Saturday or Sunday, where you treat consented patients under direct supervision. You are guaranteed 30 implants on at least 10 patients, which you will place and restore, and because training is monthly, you are sure to complete your case requirements. There is absolutely no sharing of cases and/or hidden extra costs. Continuous clinical exposure and a structured multimodular course are superior to stop-start intermittent courses which cause confusion as they do not allow time for reflection. On completion of your internship, you will be awarded a United Kingdom degree certificate from the University of Bolton, which is recognized worldwide and accredited by the British government. The University of Bolton is named in the top 50 universities in the UK, so you are assured of a recognized quality degree. So, to remind you of what you will receive: 30 implants fully restored in a minimum of 10 consented patients, supervised training conducted in dental college, multimodular program that is delivered face-to-face and online, curriculum developed in collaboration with a dental academic institution as stipulated under current licensing regulations, free guided placement software worth 12,000 dirhams, access to online lectures and reading materials, no hidden extra costs. Our promise is, if you can match all these benefits from any other recognized provider, we will return your money or match their offer. We limit our intakes to 5 interns a cohort, so hurry and join today to avoid disappointment. Contact us by WhatsApp on +9 7 1 5 4 5 8 2 5 9 5 5, that is, +9 7 1 5 4 5 8 2 5 9 5 5. Thanks for watching our presentation, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.